What I used to do previously was to work for a ServiceMaster business, contract cleaning services. I used to be the sales manager for that particular business, and so bringing in new contracts, working on tenders. Main reason was it's a business that is very brand orientated, also a business that actually comes with contracts already, so you're already up and running with a business, which it can, when you're starting out, it can be quite difficult to find your own contracts. But buying a franchise in the particular sector that we're in, it actually came with contracts. So the main reason was the brand. It came with the business as well, but also speaking to previous business owners who had also had their business for quite some number of years, I felt it was the perfect sort of fit for me. It's a work balance with lifestyle, I guess, giving you that sort of balance that you know we do work long hours, but the balance is there that you can choose when you want to work. What then does gives you the balance of obviously seeing family. An example would be of that is my son at that point was doing a football scholarship. If I'd worked for being my own boss, I guess it would have been difficult to see any of his games, so I was able to see pretty much most of his football games, going to my daughter's school and see plays, etc., but also meeting friends for lunch, I guess. And all them things have been able to have that flexibility of a work-life balance. But again, it's the long game in terms of obviously when we do come to actually sell the business, is that we can create a lifestyle that, if we want to go and buy somewhere in Spain, we can, and have a nice sangria and etc. So it's a work-life balance, I guess. The most of it is that.